Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Peterson Gaming, and today we are baking with Uncle Neighbor.
Oh yeah, we better cook something
Oh
up.
yeah. Let's look at our menu. How about the baguette? Let's try and bake us a baguette.
Baguette? What's all this? Are these the foods?
Yes. I got these
I
instructions
got
in
baguette in my pants. We don't need to cook.
Alright, we need flour. Alrighty.
Flour? Where's flour?
That right here.
Eh.
I already put it in. But, get some salt. I want you to put in some salt.
I don't know what is this salt?
No, that's tomatoes. That's tomato soup.
Oops. Where's the salt? Let me cook. I open it.
Give me that. What's that say?
Okay, I think.
You dumbass! I said sugar.
I thought that was salt.
Okay, let's try this again. Okay, got the flour. Alright, this time
Yeah.
get the salt.
This is salt, right?
Read the
This is
label.
salt, right? No, I'll take that salt.
Alright, that should be salt.
Hold on.
Of course.
I think I cooked. Huh?
Hold on, let me see that. It's
I think
actually
is that salt? Hold up.
Let me fucking read the damn thing. Yes, it's salt. Okay, we're good. Dry yeast. That should be right there.
Is it this?
No, that's milk! Dude, fuck it. Attempt number 3. Okay.
That was the yeast.
Got the flour. We get the salt. That's salt, right? That's the salt one, yes. Then
I think so.
we get the dry yeast.
And we mix it with the spatula.
Not yet. We need water. Can you put in the water? I'm sure you know what water is. No. That's an egg.
Wait, water? Is this the water? Is this the water?
That's a sink. That we can't get our water. From
Is
that.
this the water? That's stupid.
Okay.
Wait. Is that water?
Yes,
Where's the
this is-
water?
This is water. Thank you. Now we need it by hand. There we go. Cover it with plastic wrap. Let it ferment for the first time. Okay. Place on kneading board and spread on. And where's our kneading board?
I think we're cooking. Story of Undertale. Hey, give me my microphone back. Do we need eggs?
No. Right about hand. Then we. Man, get your
my
dumb.
pet
Where the
chicken.
fuck did you even get that chicken from?
I don't know. I found my chicken.
Okay, I got it. Now, what else do we need?
I want it.
Place on cloth for baguettes and let it ferment for the second time. Alright. Put it on the baguette ferment cloth. No. Over here.
We cut it.
You're doing good.
What is this? This like a toothpick?
There you go.
Wait. Alright,
You're doing
I think
it.
we're cooking.
Alright, now.
What? Did we eat it?
No. What is our.
What do we do?
Aha. Give me this. And, give it. Put it on.
I'm scared. It won't go on. I'm soloing this whole thing right now. You're not even doing anything.
You're doing. You put in the wrong ingredients so many times.
That wasn't me!
Then who was it?
Yeah, trust me. I don't know.
There
The
we
ghost in the
go.
room.
We got it.
Oh my god.
It's baking.
Should I touch it?
Dumbass. That's why you gotta wear.
Wait, we're wearing gloves.
We're wearing
Wait,
gloves.
never mind. Give me that.
There we go, and that's a baguette. Now you can eat it.
Whoa, look at my baguette.
Careful, it's still hot. So if you put it against your
Take a bite.
scrumptious.
Let me try.
Hey,
Hey,
no
hey.
Phantom tax!
Ah!
Phantom tax me.
I'm sorry. No, get out. The heart disease.
Alright, what's that?
Here comes the choo-choo train.
Oh, God. Alright. Are you ready?
We
Alright.
just got a pizza.
A
Make
pizza?
next.
Alright, let me look at our shit. White bread, croissant, melon pan. Yada yada yada. That's whatever. Pizza! Okay,
And what
are
the hell?
you ready? Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready for Freddy. In my chicken bag.
I don't remember opening that. Ah, fucking.
There's a ghost in the room.
Alright, first we need our all-purpose flour.
And then we need yeast, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Then we need some salt and sugar.
I knew it. I'm soloing this. Okay, and then we need an egg, and then we need water, and then we need some milk, and then we need some butter, and then we need some. What is that?
Hold on.
Wait, I'm
Good
cooking.
job. Good job. You're actually
See,
doing
I
it right.
know what I'm doing, and you're not letting me cook.
Need place on kneading board and spread it out. Okay, place it on the damn.
Yeah, spread it wide open.
Okay, now we spread tomato sauce on it.
Yeah, put oil on. We oil it up, and then we put basil on it.
I'm gonna kill
This
you.
looks like drugs. This looks like Grandpa Neighbor's drugs. And I don't think that's basil.
Wait, hold on. Am I reading
And
this?
we put cheese on it.
Place on noodles and spread tomato sauce on the dough. That's what I'm trying to do. God damn! No, I didn't want to make the fucking neck. Let's try it
Oh my
again.
God.
Put in everything. Go, go, go. Put in everything. Butter.
Put it again. Put water. Put milk.
Yeah, don't forget the milk.
Put yeast.
And that should be all.
I think we cooked.
Okay, yes. Okay. Okay.
What is
That
this?
down. Knead it out.
This is a drug thing. Well, Peterson, get a load of this. Here, son. Come here. Here, son. See a rainbow. Where is the ghost?
As soon
Where
as you
is
sense
he?
movement, just hit it.
I see him.
Yeah, tomato sauce. Wait, put it on. I think the tomato sauce is broken. God damn!
It's how Petersons make it. Trust. And this ghost tweaking. The spirits of Uncle Neighbor.
Yeah, it's your spirit.
The spirit of my victims.
What the fuck? And what the fuck?
Hey! That got ugly. Would not touch. 0 out of 10.
Ah,
Bless the United States.
come on,
I don't think you're doing this right. See, we gotta get the rolling pin. We gotta roll it, and then you gotta cut it. And yeah, do this. And then you oil it up. Yeah. No.
God damn! Do this carefully. I'm gonna put in all the ingredients.
Two ads. You made a baguette, dumbass.
Shut up, intrusive thoughts.
Fine.
Should have black people on my head.
No.
Or else it's back to the field.
Mm.
This is gonna be a piece of shit. Okay, just use this.
You gotta be
stupid-
very careful about it.
Okay, I'm gonna.
And we gotta use a rolling pin. Or roll it out, right? Oh! Ah!
Okay,
And we gotta
Spread
stab
it
it
out
with a
by
fork.
hand.
Okay. And then
add tomato
dinner served.
sauce or tomato sauce,
Alright.
however you want to pronounce it, on the damn.
Ooh, I'm wait. Ah!
Can I just
Peterson.
this cheese? Stupid.
Peterson, I'm about to oil up. Peterson, look, I'm about to oil up.
Awesome.
Ah!
He's oiled up. Oh, and he's gone.
Alright.
Come on.
Now that we're oiled up, I think we're ready to fully lock in.
God. Attempt.
Are you sure we're doing the right thing?
Yes,
After bro said, "Look, I'm done oiling up."
I'm
Ugly.
so done with you. Man, fuck this shit. This is fucking stupid.
I don't even know what I'm looking at over here.
It says tomato sauce to me. I didn't even touch it. Attempt number 12 million.
Come on. We gotta make a pizza, okay? Gotta get our flour and gotta.
Grab literally everything else except for an egg. We've been doing it wrong the whole time.
Put water in. And do we butter it up? You better butter up right now, buddy.
Okay, 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 okay,
We're up.
okay, 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 okay.
I think we're cooking. Okay, we're up.
You dumb.
Ah! Sure. Yeah, hit rolling pin. We beat it. Oh, wait, that actually worked.
God damn it, you
Wait,
hit it
hold
too
on.
hard. Okay, let's do it slowly. Flour.
Slow and steady never wins the race.
Fine. Salt. Sugar. Butter.
Pizza cutter. Butter. Bowl.
Where's the wooden
You
spatula?
could put an egg in it.
Shut up and shoot some VODs.
I'm the ghost of unholy criminal.
Fuck you.
Nah, I'm gonna get jolly. I'm gonna
Where's our
jingle, jingle.
wooden spoon?
Man, you blind.
Fucking give me that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the fucking dry yeast wasn't even put in. Get in.
Ah.
Fine. We can just. Okay, I'm gonna do this slowly. Cause you're.
The spirit of J Mars in here. Just put watermelon in there.
The Virgin Walton.
Spirit of Joe Okay.
Don't. No. Move an inch, and I'm gonna stab you with this fork.
No, it's abuse.
You're a complete fuck up.
Okay.
There. Yes. Don't do it. We finally are going somewhere. We need cheese.
You roll things like you see in the movie.
Oil it up. Basil.
I'm
We
already
got
oiled
it.
up.
We got it. We're doing it.
Put it in the oven.
It's cooking. It's cooking. Finally.
Doesn't work.
Get the shit out of here. We did
I
it.
think a pizza's burning. Oh my god! We did it! We did it!
What do we do? Oh yeah, we need to cut it up. And just like that. Let's eat.
Bro, it was just that easy. I told you should let me cook. I get the last slice.
Quavish.
Cheers.
The Quavish needs some.
God damn it.
Ugh. Nah, Jaquavius just ate it. Hey, Michael Jackson.
We're done here. I'm out of here.
Fuck that.
I'm going to the moon because fuck all of you.
No, I want to go to the moon.
Fuck you, bitch.